for this box being down. Hello. And they said breaker's off. So let's get the breaker turned back on. And they said they unplugged it. What's this one? Compressor on roof off. That needs to be on. Maybe that was our whole problem. The breaker was off. All right, let's get this thing plugged in. See what happens. Check the programming on this dude. Yeah, it's totally goofy. Look at this. The programming's all off. It's set in heat mode. Someone's been goofing with the stat. Let's redo this. We want to go off at 38 degrees. We want to go on at 41. Yeah. Maybe we'll go 30. Yeah, 38's good. On at 41. That's probably the whole problem right there. Back of the coil needs a cleaning. Alright, we're back. We're calling for cooling. Solenoid's energized. Box is dropping in temp. I got the back of the coil. Just started cleaning it up with my brush. Just the basics so far. Just brushing it off with this brush to get the big chunks. Big chunks out. And these charge lines nice and warm. We got plenty of cooling going on. Box is dropping like a champ. Already got to 53. I was at 56. I'm thinking the thermostat wasn't programmed correctly. That's what I found.